That sounds terrible.
Is that the horn?
Well, now I don't want to hit the jump either.
It's about to hit you too.
Like, oh, that looks dangerous. What's up, guys? 770 out here at Rampart Range with CoolEye Colorado, RideWithWill, a couple other dudes. Actually, quite a few people out here today. Took us forever to find this. Of course, then we looked at a map and it was quite easy. So I guess my only complaint already is so goddamn dusty out here. Haven't gotten a lot of rain, I guess. Definitely Whoop City. I'd been out here before on the same trail on the old Xtrainer suspension. It's light years different this time. Still lots of whoops though. My legs are already pretty tired. Endless whoops through there.
Dude, those whoops, yeah.
They wear you out. Tree root. Looks like. Yeah, we stopped right before that weird rocky thing. I was like, man, that's a hell of a thing to get right back on and look at. It's gotten a lot easier. Last time I was here, those logs weren't there. So like it was tough to get through that spot because like you would just dig your pegs into the side of those two rocks, and it was way harder to get through.
I noticed that wood was built there too.
Yeah, that's new. At least since I've been here. Like last time it wasn't there.
I spent 30 minutes that first time I went through here.
Oh really?
Section right there, and I was so exhausted at this point. I sat in that chair right there.
Oh, this is so nice. Whoa! That's probably the good shady spot over here.
Alright, Colorado's a good state. I didn't know if it was before.
It's alright. That sort of thing.
So you're down into like mountains and stuff, I guess. Love it, dude. It's nice. This is a fun trail. It's in the trees. Once you get away from those, not as whoopy, this last half. Still a few. In the beginning, man, they kind of wear you right out. Far less whoops. Maybe I'm just getting used to it. This was fun.
Yeah. It's a tricky corner to get around. I don't remember going down this crazy thing last time. Yeah, because I could see more trail down here. So yeah. This is rough right here. Ow. Man, we all got fucked up in that spot.
Warm out. Good, man. There's a little 80. A lot of clutch work. Yeah. Rah, 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 rah. Fuck. There we go. You got to go left pretty high. I hit it right in the middle and was like, just skid plate. Like, nah, sorry, bud. That's it for you. Hey, we made it. That's a technical section. That's all right.
Hey, man.
You did this. You did you did this section. Man, a couple years ago when I came through here, I was dying. And you did better than I did.
Yeah, that's a technical trail.
Yeah, there's some tough spots.